Good morning children. First we saw grouping. In the topic grouping, by using some words we grouped and count and wrote the words. Now we are going to see another type of grouping by using the student's name. Mugil, one student boy name, Nisha, Manoj, Leena and Mani. Lalita, Nitya, Lekha, Meera, Nizam. Then Neela, Lily, Logesh, Mary and Nazar. We are going to group the names according to the letter M, N and L. We are going to group in order and count and write. Group the words given below. Words given below by their starting letter. Starting letter is this one. These are starting letter. We are going to group by this starting letter. Group the words given below by their starting letter. Count and write. First we are going to group and then count and we are going to write the number. First L, then L. L, we are going to start with L and then M and then N. L, M and N. See L, where the starting letter L. See in this row ma, here Lalita, L-A-L-I-T-H-A, Lalita. Then see in this row where L is there, see in the starting letter, this one is N, this letter is N. See here, L it is here. Then Lily, L-I-L-Y, Lily. Then see in the third row where L is placed, this one is M, this one L and again L. Two words are there here, two names. Lekha, L-E-K-H-A. Then Logesh, L-O-G-E-S-H. Then see in the fourth row, Leena, see here, L. This one is M. This one is M. See here, L. L is placed here. Leena, L-E-E-N-A, Leena. Then see in this row where L is placed, this one is M. This one N. This one also N. No L is there. So leave it. Count and write in the box ma. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them are there with the starting letter L. Right here 5. Then we are going to see the word letter starting with M. M letter we are going to see. See in the first row where M is placed here. Mugil. M-U-G-I-L. Mugil. M-U-G-I-L. Then see in the second row you see where M is placed. This is N. This one also N and this one is L. No letter placed with M. So go to the third row. See here M. Manoj is here M. Starting letter M. See here this one is L. This one is L. So you write this M letter. Manoj. M-A-N-O-J. Manoj. Then see in the fourth row where M is placed, this one is starting letter is L. See here M. Again M is here. Meera. M-E-E-R-A. Meera. Then Mary. M-A-R-Y. Mary. Then see in the fifth row Here M is placed here. Money M. M is here. This one is N. This one also N. So write money. M is placed here. M-A-N-I. Money. Count children. Count how many names are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mugil, Manoj, Meera, Mary and Money. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to see the names starting with N. See in the first row where N is placed, M. This one is M. This one is L. See here, M, N. N is placed here. Neela. N-E-E-L-A. Neela. Then see, in the second row you see, N is placed here. N. Here also N, starting letter N. Nisha. N-I-S-H-A. Nisha. Then Nitya. Nitya also starting with N. N-I-T-H-Y-A. Nitya. Then see in the fourth row where L is placed. N is placed. No N here. See here. This one is L. This one is M. This one also M. See in the last row, fifth row, this one is M. Here N is here. N Nizam. Then Nazar. N-I-Z-A-M. Then Nazar. N. N-A-Z-A-R. Nazar. Count children. Count. How many words is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 is there. This one also one type of grouping the words. Words are names. All these are names only. Mary, Lily, Lalita, Nitya, Lekha, Meera, Leena. All these are names. Grouping ones. O-N-E-S. Grouping ones. G-R-O-U-P-I-N-G. Grouping. O-N-E-S. Listen children. Some beads. Beads means what? Money. Some beads are splitted here. Listen. 10 ones. O-N-E-S. 10 ones make. M-A-K-E. Make. 10 ones. 10 ones make 110. 110. Listen. Some beads. Beads means what? Money. Some beads are split here. Split means செதறி இருக்கு. Ten beads are splitted here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads. Beads means money. Money இங்க 10 மணிகள் இங்க செதறி இருக்கு. அது நம்ம ஒரு 10 மாத்த போறோம். பாருங்க. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ஒன்னொன்னா இருக்கு. ஒன்னொன்னா 10 ஒன்று இருக்கு. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ones. This all ones. இது ஒன்று, இது ஒன்று, இது ஒன்று, இது ஒன்று. அதுபோல் இதெல்லாம் தனித்தனியாக ஒன்று ஒன்றா இருக்குது. இப்போ வந்து நம்ம மொத்தத்தையும் ஒரு மணியை கோத்துருக்கோம் ஒரு நூலில். பாருங்கள் எத்தனை இருக்குது, கவுண்ட் சில்ட்ரன். 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. இது வந்து 10. அப்போ 110. இது ஃபுல்லாக வந்து ஒரு 10. தென் 110. 10 ones make 110. Listen children, objects. Tens. T-E-N-S, tens. Ones. O-N-E-S, ones. Numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2. We are going to group here. Tens. This is 110. This is 210. This one 3. 310. 110, 2 tens, 3 tens. Then this is 1 1. 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 1. Then 2. Then in the tens place 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. Then in tens place you write 3. How many tens are there? Listen, 1 10. 2 tens, then 3 tens. 3 tens are there. In the tens place, you write 3. Then in ones place, this is 1, this is 1. 1, 2. Then right here in ones place, right here 2. Then totally 32. 32. Listen here children. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 110. Group it. 110. Then this all 1 1 1 1. You count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then how many 10 is here? 110 is here. Then in tens place you write 1. Only 110 is there. So you write here 110. Then individual means separately. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is there. So in ones place you write 8. Then totally 18. 1, right here 1, then 8. Then what is this number? 18. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Group it as 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 tens. 110, 210. Then individually separately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is there? 5. This is ones. This all ones. 1. This is 1. இது ஒன்று இது ஒன்று இது ஒன்று இது ஒன்று. அதே போல் ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how many tens count? 1 10, 2 tens. Then write in the tens place you write 2. Then in ones place single ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In ones place you write 5. Then together 25. 2 is here, no, write here 2. Then 5 in ones place, write 5. 25. This is 25. 2 tens, 5 ones, totally number how many number? 25 numbers totally. If we count this means 25 will come. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. See here 25 came. Understand children? See here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. See here, 32 came. Okay? Then listen, this one, second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See here, 18 came. Then 18. Then same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. Okay children? This all tens place. This one ones place. Together number 32, 18, 25. Children, take your rough notebook and draw these objects and see in tens place you put a column like this, tens, ones and numbers, and write count and write, group it into tens, 3 tens, group it and write count and write 3 and then 2 and then 32. I will give you some homework, do it in your rough notebook. Right here. Then second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here. Then third one. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Group it children. Group it by tens. Then count the tens and write here. Then count the ones and write here. Totally you count and write the number here. Then group it into tens and then ones. This is ones. Then you write here. Tens you write here. Then ones you write here. Then you totally you count and write the number here. Then again group it into tens. Count this number. Tens you write here. Ones you write here and totally you count and write that number here. Okay children, do it at home.